Welcome people, welcome viewers. This is the JLP Verified YouTube channel. It is always important for you to like the video and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe. Now people, viewers, when you hear about the news of Lennox Hines, you get to me and say JLP councillor and caretaker from Portmore, and he was shot on Marcus Garvey Drive, right to the plane station there, right to FedEx there, yeah, right to the overhead crossing there. He might come from up with past Spanish Town Road there, and him come down and stop at the stoplight for go up on the toll, for go up on the Portmore toll. He was about to go up on the toll, so them come catch him at the stoplight. But my thing is, people, politicians are getting involved now. And when I say get involved, not get involved in a crime or criminal activity. Man, them attack politicians now. That's not a good look. That's not a good sign, you understand? When them set them example of attacking a politician, it possibly can encourage more attacks on politicians. You get what I say? It's highly possible. In a country where we live, where people are job every day, regular people. Not that he's not a regular people, not that he not live him life regular, but you know me, and get what I say, that's a politician. So a dog driving vehicle, you understand, and him and somebody is not the vehicle, and him stop at the stoplight, and the bike them just ride up and start shoot up the dog, and can't go to hospital pronounced dead. Anyway, I'm going to read the article.